Select any component on the toolbar and drag it anywhere on the canvas. Dragging the node over a loose connection point will display a blue dot and automatically connect the newly added node. Create components using the dedicated keyboard shortcuts, such as S, for the source node. A list of the available shortcuts can be found on the main menu. Select any node on the canvas. Hover the cursor over the directional arrows around the component. Set the desired connection type on the top of the wizard panel. Select the node you would like to connect by selecting any available icon from the list on the panel. If you want to connect two existing nodes using the diagram building wizard, select the origin node, click and drag the surrounding arrows. Drag the cursor towards the target node, and a connection will be created between them. Select any node on the canvas and double-click on any node on the toolbar. This will automatically create a connection between the two nodes. You can modify the orientation of the connection by holding the following keys when double-clicking on the toolbar. Shift create a top connection. Ctrl create a down connection. Ctrl and Shift create a left connection. Additionally, you can create a state connection between the two nodes by holding Alt on your keyboard.